quick question. If we are doing this through space, Mach 88, 500,000 miles per hour, how do we have the stars moving in a circle around Polaris?
Whoa, go easy there, Stephen Hawking. You're really onto something this time. 500,000 miles per hour is really slow in the grand scheme of how big space is. The speed of light is almost 200,000 miles per second. Even though the speed of Earth is pretty small, the observable heavens will actually change in Earth's history, and already have. But since a human lifetime is like 80 years, we don't live nearly long enough to be able to witness any sort of change.
How do you have water without a container, first of all? How do you have water laying flat on a ball? How do you have this? Please, how?
Wait, what? Did she just say how do you hold water without a container? The ocean floor is the container, and they also don't make Tupperware big enough to fit the fucking ocean in it. How do you have water lying flat on a ball? You don't. You have water lying in a ball on a ball, because the Earth is more of a ball than a flat, you dumbass.
How do planes fly straight and not have to adjust for curvature? And why can you go east to west?
You know how the cruising altitude of a commercial airliner is like 30,000 feet? By maintaining that elevation, you are accounting for the curvature of the Earth. You just don't notice that the plane is accounting for the curvature of the Earth because the Earth is really big and you're really small. I also have no idea what this graphic means. Is this talking about aerial or like nautical circumnavigation? Because there's a pretty obvious reason that no one has sailed around the planet like this. As for aerial circumnavigation, they kind of do it all the time. Here are the flight paths from New York City and Los Angeles to Moscow. Notice how it's not a straight line? It's because they're accounting for the curvature of the Earth, god damn it.
Why do you believe that Earth photos are real when it's been proven to be copied and pasted Photoshop CGI completely?
Facebook.com/FEMatters. There's no source quite better than a Facebook meme from a page called Flat Earth Matters. Can't argue with that one, folks. They really got us.
Why is nobody allowed to go to Antarctica? Why?
Who ever told you that you are not allowed to go to Antarctica? The reason why not a lot of people do is because it's really far away, it's really expensive, and it's fucking Antarctica. So while I don't have the resources to get you a ticket to Antarctica, I'd be more than happy to chip in to get you another layer to wear on your trip. This video is 3 minutes long, and I've gotten through about the first 50 seconds of it. I really don't think I can watch any more without going into some form of cardiac arrest. If you want to see more conspiracy debunking videos, make sure to give me a follow, and if you think I'm slightly entertaining, feel free to check out my YouTube page where I do longer form archaeological and conspiracy debunking videos. Remember to stay curious, stay inquisitive, and most importantly, remember that if you tried to plug in a straightening iron at the Amundsen Scott South Pole Research Station, they would probably decide that you are better off as a food ration than as a contributing member of the party.